Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and kabocha miso gratin. Today I'm adding some Japanese kick to classic French dish gratin. It's super easy to make but delicious and my kids love it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this miso gratin, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breast, 1 onion, kabocha pumpkin, panko breadcrumb, it's about half a cup, shredded mozzarella, as much as you like, 400 milliliter of milk, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 40 grams of butter, and little less than 2 tablespoons of miso paste. Let's do all the cutting first. So kabocha pumpkin. Remove the seeds using spoon. It's very hard to cut, so let's microwave first. Wrap it with plastic film and just microwave. I did 3 minutes at 600 watt. Remove the plastic film. Be careful not to burn yourself. And cut the stem here and here off. Let's just cut this into bite-sized pieces. Next is onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and slice thinly. And the chicken. Let's remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Cut into half, then into bite-sized pieces. Like this. All the cutting is done. Now I'm making some white sauce. 40 grams of butter and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Microwave this until the butter is melted. Mix this well until it's nice and shiny and no lumpy flour left. Add miso paste and keep mixing. Little bit of milk. And the rest. Back into the microwave. I did 2 minutes at 800 watt. Give it a mix. It's becoming thick, especially at the bottom, but it's not there yet, so let's microwave for another few minutes. I did 2 minutes and it's almost there. Let's do 1 more minute. Nice and creamy. Let's add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And the white sauce is ready. Heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's saute the chicken. Chicken is almost cooked, so let's add onions. Both chicken and onion are well cooked. Turn the heat off and add white sauce and kabocha pumpkin. Give it a mix. Put it in the oven there. Make it flat. Shredded mozzarella. And panko breadcrumb for the crispy texture. And it's time to bake. I baked it for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius and miso gratin is ready to go. It's looking and smelling so good. Time for the tasting. It's so crispy on top. Chicken, kabocha, and cheese all in one bite. いただきます。Fluffy kabocha, creamy white sauce, chicken and onion. Everything is so well cooperated. And the hint of miso is just amazing. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. The gratin is the main, so it goes here. plain rice here and egg drop soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about spinach and sesame salad for one of them and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!